The real-world asset market is valued at over $55 billion, yet it remains fundamentally broken. It suffers from three critical issues: extreme illiquidity, the rampant document frauds, and slow, expensive settlement layers. Here, enter A.R.I.A, an automated RWA intelligence and authentication platform. We have built the first protocol that combines generative AI for instant verification with fractionalization for instant liquidity, all powered by the high-speed QIE blockchain. Hello everyone, my name is Nihan with my teammate Anshika, and this is A.R.I.A, our project for the QIE Blockchain Hackathon. Let's dive right into it. As you can see right here, this is our app homepage. I'll just connect my wallet. As always, the first step here is to mint a verified RWA NFT. As you can see, we have multiple document options. I'll select the invoice. And this is a basic Amazon invoice that I have. It's actually an actual invoice of the stuff I ordered. And I have clicked the analysis. We have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, the analysis is complete. We have an authenticity score. We have AI and AI confidence. Plus, it also includes QR code verification. As you can see, here we have all the data that is extracted from it. The buyer name, the currency, the items in JSON format, the vendor name, and assessment. It includes everything. And now we can also see that it has been stored on IPFS. The metadata, as it is loading right here, and our NFT is minted. We can also see this transaction right here. Now to list this on the marketplace, I can just list a name for it on invoice one. Also, I can list it in both ways. If I want to list it in direct USD, from which the price is calculated directly through the Oracle, or I can list it in static A.R.I.A tokens. I'll list it in USD. Say I'll list it at 100 USD, and I'll just click list. You see the transaction has been triggered right here. I'll just click confirm, and this. See now we have already listed, and we'll see this on the marketplace right now. Here's also we have the fractionalization. Say, for example, I want to fractionalize this into 10,000 tokens. I can do that too. It helps in direct liquidity. If I'm using a fractional NFT smart contract here to lock the original NFT into a wallet and issue 10,000 ERC20 tokens against it. This is a non-custodial, trustless process. In seconds, I have turned a singular illiquid asset into a liquid market. These tokens can now be traded on QIE DEX, used as collateral in DeFi, or distributed to investors globally. And here, our IPFS has loaded, as you can see. By storing the AI's verification report on the decentralized storage, we create a permanent tamper-proof audit trail. Any future buyer 10 years from now also can trace this asset back to the exact verification event. This solves the garbage in, garbage out problem that plagues other RWA protocols. Now, let us get back to here and just go back to our marketplace. As it is loading, this is our marketplace.sol contract. You see it has loaded right here. This is the invoice that we listed right now. We can see its IPFS detail from here, the price we listed it for. Also, as you can see, this is AI verified. Now, this was a previous invoice that I published, but now you can see it has a suspicious flag. Well, this is for our governance model. As you can see right here, we have a governance tab. It is a community-driven verification. We can flag any asset as suspicious, and it will be verified later. It has the opportunity to be integrated in a fully customized community-driven verified object. We also have our oracles, the custom oracle architecture live here. You can see we have the live feed here, and we can switch right here. We can convert a currency into whatever. Like I can convert 100 A.R.I.A into USD. 1000 A.R.I.A into USD. You can see right here. We have the system status, the provider. Now, as you can see on the marketplace tab, to trade global assets, we need global pricing. As I already showed you that I can list it in both A.R.I.A or USD. So, but how do I use USD to convert it to A.R.I.A? Well, we built a custom Oracle node from scratch. This dashboard connects to a simple Oracle smart contract. It aggregates real-world prices for A.R.I.A, ETH, and fiat currencies and pushes them on-chain. You can notice the hybrid pricing model in the marketplace. Sellers can list in USD, and our smart contract calculates exact A.R.I.A amounts. And now let us get into the staking and ecosystem. Well, you can see I have already staked around 100 A.R.I.A here, and this is my A.R.I.A balance. What we have here, this is the closed economic loop, complete economic loop. The A.R.I.A token isn't just for payments, it's for security. By staking A.R.I.A, users can secure the protocol and earn a share for the marketplace fees. This aligns incentives between the validators verifying the documents and the traders providing the liquidity, and holders securing the network. It is a complete self-sustaining DeFi ecosystem. And any user can mint their own tokens here. My balance, as you can see right here. So yes, and let me show you the GitHub repo. We have it right here. This is let me show you our technical architecture. This is a system flow architecture, which I explained right now. It is very simple. The user simply selects the document type, he uploads it, the AI analyzes it. From the backend is written in Flask through prompt engineering. When the AI verifies the NFT, also the QR scanner, because every major invoice nowadays has a QR code in it, we extract it, add its data to, and we compare it to the data provided by our AI. So there is very little to no chances of any error here. From there, our Flask API automatically mints this on the A.R.I.A NFT contract. From there, it can be listed on the marketplace contract or be fractionalized to the fractionalized NFT contract. This marketplace contract fetches price from the Oracle contract, and this fractional NFT contract, it uses Grateful from the QIE DEX liquidity. So we have already deployed it on the QIE testnet, and we have solved the verification problem with AI, liquidity with fractionalization, and pricing with our custom Oracle. This is the future of real-world assets. Thank you.